Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home appliances. Today, we're diving into the world of dishwashers, specifically focusing on the top 5 best dishwashers in India in the 8-place settings to 15-place settings range. If you're tired of spending countless hours scrubbing dishes by hand, these dishwashers are here to save the day. We've thoroughly researched and compiled a list of the most reliable, efficient, and feature-packed dishwashers on the market. Now, before we get started, I want to let you know that I've included all the links to these amazing dishwashers in the description below. So, if you want to check them out or make a purchase, be sure to head over there after watching this video. So, let's jump right in and find the perfect dishwasher for you. Kicking off our list is the Voltas Beko 8-place setting tabletop dishwasher. This compact dishwasher is designed to fit seamlessly into any kitchen without sacrificing performance. With its 8-place setting capacity, it can handle up to 96 vessels per load, making it suitable for small to medium-sized families. The dishwasher offers 6 wash programs, catering to all kinds of utensils commonly found in Indian kitchens, including stainless steel and ceramic. The intensive 70 degrees Celsius program is perfect for heavily soiled crockery, like kadai, providing superior and hygienic cleaning using powerful water jets and high temperatures. For normally soiled loads, the normal program is ideal. Additionally, the Clean and Shine program ensures superior washing and drying of lightly soiled crockery and glassware, while the Mini 30 program offers a quick wash for lightly soiled loads that don't need drying. One standout feature of this dishwasher is its water consumption. It uses just 8 liters of water to wash one load of dirty dishes, which is remarkably efficient. The unit also comes with an inbuilt heater that delivers a hot wash, effectively cleaning away grease, germs, and bacteria. The 2 tray baskets, upper and lower, provide ample space for cutlery and large utensils. The Voltas Beko 8-place setting tabletop dishwasher is an excellent choice for those looking for a compact and efficient dishwasher that doesn't compromise on performance. The Voltas Beko dishwasher comes with a comprehensive 2-year warranty on the product and a 5-year warranty on the motor. Priced at approximately 18,000 rupees, it offers great value for money. Please keep in mind that prices may vary, so make sure to refer to the description for the latest pricing details and any potential discounts or offers. Next up, we have the Faber 12-place settings dishwasher. With its larger capacity, this dishwasher is perfect for slightly bigger families. The 12-place setting capacity allows you to clean a substantial amount of utensils in one go. It comes with 6 wash programs, ensuring versatility to tackle various levels of soiling. One impressive feature of this dishwasher is its low water consumption. Using about 10 to 17 liters of water, depending on the program, Faber dishwashers provide a clean wash even with low water usage. The half-load feature is worth highlighting, as it allows you to start the cleaning process even if the dish load is not complete, reducing resource consumption. When it comes to tough stains, dirt, bacteria, and germs, the Faber dishwasher doesn't disappoint. With its hot water wash, reaching up to 69 degrees Celsius, it effortlessly removes stubborn stains and ensures hygienic cleaning. Additionally, the dishwasher's delay start function gives you the flexibility to schedule operations according to your convenience. The Faber dishwasher comes with a comprehensive 2-year warranty on the product and a 5-year warranty on the cavity. The Faber 12-place settings dishwasher, priced at approximately 25,000 rupees, offers excellent features for its price range. Its water efficiency, stain removal capabilities, and flexibility make it a solid choice for families seeking a reliable dishwasher. Moving on, we have the Bosch 13-place settings dishwasher. This dishwasher is specifically designed for Indian kitchens, accommodating all types of utensils and providing efficient cleaning without the need for manual pre-rinsing. With its 13-place setting capacity, it can easily handle the dishwashing needs of families with up to 4 to 5 members. The Bosch dishwasher offers an intensive kadai program, perfect for cleaning greasy Indian utensils and oily masala stains. The dishwasher is equipped with an eco-silence drive motor. With a noise level of just 52 decibels, it ensures a quiet operation while delivering excellent results. The dishwasher features 6 wash programs, catering to different types of utensils and cleaning requirements. One notable feature of this dishwasher is the intelligent sensor that automatically adjusts water, detergent, and rinse aid usage based on the level of soiling and load. This ensures optimum wash results while conserving resources. The additional cutlery drawer provides a hassle-free wash for spoons, forks, and knives. The Bosch dishwasher comes with a comprehensive 2-year warranty on the product and a 10-year warranty against rusting of the inner tub. Priced at approximately 43,000 rupees, the Bosch 13-place settings dishwasher offers a range of advanced features. From its intensive Kadai program to the smart sensor technology, it guarantees efficient and convenient dishwashing. Up next, we have the LG 14-place settings Wi-Fi dishwasher. LG has long been known for its reliable and innovative appliances, and this dishwasher is no exception. With its 14-place setting capacity, it's suitable for larger families, accommodating a wide variety of utensils. This dishwasher comes with 9 wash programs, making it versatile enough to handle dishes with oil and masala stains, common in Indian cuisine. LG's quad wash technology, with 4 washing arms and multi-directional rotation, ensures maximum coverage and thorough cleaning. One standout feature of this dishwasher is its true steam technology. By boiling water, it reaches every surface of the dishes inside the tub, resulting in sparkling clean dishes. It also helps reduce water spots, ensuring a streak-free shine. With a low noise level of 44 decibels, the LG dishwasher's inverter direct drive motor guarantees quiet operation and reliable performance. The LG dishwasher comes with a 2-year warranty on the product and a 10-year warranty on the motor. Priced at approximately 48,000 rupees, the LG 14-place settings Wi-Fi dishwasher offers a combination of cutting-edge features and LG's renowned reliability. With its advanced washing technology and spacious interior, it's a top contender in the dishwasher market. Finally, we have the IFB 15-place settings Neptune SX1 dishwasher. With its large capacity, this dishwasher is perfect for families of up to 7 people. The 15-place setting capacity allows you to wash an entire load of dishes in one go. Featuring 8 wash programs, including a 70 degrees Celsius hot water wash for tough stains, the IFB dishwasher ensures thorough cleaning for all types of utensils. The 360 degrees unique spray arm reaches even hard-to-reach spots, providing comprehensive coverage. One impressive feature of this dishwasher is the hygienic steam drying. By using steam, it not only dries the dishes completely but also eliminates germs, ensuring germ-free dishes every time. The dishwasher also includes an intelligent sensor that adjusts the program, duration, and intensity based on food particles detected. The IFB dishwasher comes with a comprehensive 2-year warranty on the product and 8 years of spare parts support. Priced at 44,000 rupees, the IFB 15-place settings Neptune SX1 dishwasher offers affordability without compromising on wash quality. With its extensive warranty and range of features, it's a reliable choice for families looking for a user-friendly dishwasher. And there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best dishwashers in India in the 8-place settings to 15-place settings range. Whether you are a small family or a larger household, these dishwashers provide excellent cleaning performance, water efficiency, and convenience. From the compact Voltas Beko 8-place setting tabletop dishwasher to the feature-packed IFB 15-place settings Neptune SX1 dishwasher, there's a dishwasher on this list to suit every need and budget. Remember to consider your specific requirements, such as the size of your family, the types of utensils you commonly use, and any additional features you may need. We hope this comprehensive review has helped you in your search for the perfect dishwasher. I wanted to let you know that I've included links to all the dishwashers we mentioned in today's video in the description below. So, if you're interested in learning more about any of these dishwashers or making a purchase, be sure to check out the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on home appliances. Happy dishwashing!